What's up, Internet? Senior Whoopi here from Old Dad's General Store in downtown Gatlinburg. There's the NOC over there. We're gonna check that place out. They sell like North Face and Columbia stuff. I'm just walking around playing Pokemon today. I had to stop for a drink and some food. I got a Buffalo Ranch wrap. Ooh. Check it out. Ooh, it's very drippy. I gotta eat this quick. But main thing, maybe why you came to this video, maybe why I titled it, got the new Mountain Dew in a 20 ounce so I can try it without buying a whole 12 pack. We're gonna crack it open. Woo! Try it. Definitely smells like pineapple. Oh, that's pretty good. It's almost got a cream soda finish. Normally you expect like a bite from a Mountain Dew, but this is creamy. This is good. Is there cream in here? There's no cream in here. It's just like a normal Mountain Dew. Wow, that's gonna be delicious. When I was checking out, the guy who made my food walked past and was like, "Oh yeah, that's the best flavor. You gotta try that." I'm like, "Okay, definitely going to." Cheers, Internet. Oh yeah. I didn't grab any napkins. Why? Oh. Just thought I'd check in with you guys. Give you a quick little food review. This ranch wrap was not on the menu, but it's pretty good. Give it another bite. I'll give it a score. It's buffalo ranch, chicken, cheese, lettuce, and tomato, but I got mine without tomato.
No, this is the candy. That's the candy.
One year trash for it, bro.
Just another day in paradise. It's beautiful out here. Love it. All right. This out of 5. I don't know if I'll buy it again, but I'd give it a 4. Worth trying. This burrito, messy, but tasty. I give it a 3. Good option though. Everything down here is just a lot of sit-down restaurants. So I was looking for something to grab and then keep playing Pokemon, but I almost walked to the end. The Marathon gas station is right there. And if you know anything about Gatlinburg, that's the end. That's where the state park starts. And I finally found some breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here for a minute, enjoy the food, get back to playing Pokemon. I'll see you in the next video. Or if I make this a vlog, hey. If not, check out the rest of my channel. There will definitely be more videos about this place.